Today I wanted to share 3 DIY home decor ideas you can do using Temu products. And I'm referring to wall art, tapered candle holders, and even a gold spike trinket bowl. Thanks Temu for sponsoring this video. If you haven't heard about Temu, Temu is an online marketplace with tons of items in different categories at an affordable price. Did I mention that they have free shipping and free returns up to 90 days? They also have a site-wide sale with savings up to 90%. So they were so kind to give me a coupon code to give to you so that you can get a $100 coupon bundle towards your next purchase. So feel free to download it on your phone, whether you have an iPhone or an Android. You can get this app and you can be able to scroll through. They have so many different categories to choose from. For the first project, I'm going to be using this print art that I found for only $4.48. What I'm going to do is flip it right side down and place a blank canvas on top. The canvas can be any size of your choosing, but it will need to be less than the size of the print. Temu has a lot of options out there. Next, I'm going to staple the print to the canvas. Be sure to pull the sides tight. Once you finish each side, cut away the excess with scissors. Now continue stapling the other sides. Afterwards, fold and staple the corners like this. You could stop here if you wanted, but I'm going to enhance it a little bit more by adding gold leaf to it. Temu has 100 sheets for $2.98. Can you believe that? And it comes in 3 different colors. What I would like to do is take a little bit of this leaf adhesive and brush it on the print where I would like it. It's completely up to you where you would like to place it. This is where you can be creative. Once I finish, I let it dry for about 25 to 30 minutes or until it's clear and tacky. Once it was tacky, I placed gold foil on top. I couldn't see where I placed the adhesive, so I'm filling for it instead. If you need to, you can tear the foil in half and break it up so you don't have to use the entire sheet. Once the foil is on there, take a brush and gently brush away the excess. The remainder of the foil can be placed in a Ziploc bag and reused for another project. Afterwards, I placed the canvas in a frame that I made. Look how it turned out. If you would like a link to the tutorial on how to make yours, I'll put it at the top. So easy. For the next project, I'm going to be using these square wooden dowels that I found from Temu for $7.48. It comes in a pack of 30 and it's 12 inches in length. I ended up cutting the wooden dowels down off camera to 2 different heights. I want to make 3 candle holders for these tapered candles that I purchased. Using a piece of magazine paper, I'm going to hot glue my wooden dowels on top. I'm only going to leave a tiny space between them. If you don't have magazine paper around, try using something similar that is thin and flexible. Also, make sure the sheet of paper is cut down to the size of the tapered candle. If you notice, I left a little bit of paper out on the end. What I'm going to do is place hot glue on the paper and connect it to the other end. Next, add a little bit of hot glue inside the candle holder to stop the candle from going through. You've just created your candle holder. All that's left is to place the candle inside. Feel free to spray paint it any color of your choosing. It's so simple. For the next project, I will be using these metal spikes that I found from Temu, and they were only $3.48. I received a total of 20 of them in a pack. What I'm going to do is spray paint them gold, but you can absolutely keep them the same color if you want it. I have an old bowl that I want to update, and what I'm going to do is simply place a bead of hot glue on the end and place it randomly on the bowl. Just imagine what other items you could do this on. There are so many shapes and sizes to choose from. Once the glue dried, here's how it turned out. Easy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, try watching this one.